Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to bring you 10 growth stocks you can buy in August. I'm going to go through these two by two and I'm going to give you brief descriptions of each one of these growth stocks. But remember, I've got longer videos on each of these stocks mentioned here, so you could go through my channel, find those videos, and take a deeper dive, more analysis on each one of these stocks. So let's get right into it, starting with Airbnb and Alphabet. Airbnb is trading at a forward price to earnings of 36.83 and grew revenue at 40% in its most recently completed year. Airbnb is benefiting from the unleashing of pent-up demand for travel, which I expect to continue at least through 2024. The other stock here is Alphabet, trading at a forward price to earnings of 20, and it grew revenue at 9.78% in its most recently completed year. The company just reported earnings a couple of days ago and did a good job of growing revenue and turning its cloud segment profitable. The next two stocks I'm going to recommend here to buy in August are Crowdstrike and Chewy. Crowdstrike, of course, the cybersecurity company, is trading at a forward price to earnings of 50, but it grew revenue at 54% in its most recently completed year. Cybersecurity, I expect to continue growing for at least another decade as we spend more time online, and that requires more protection. The next stock here is Chewy, the online pet retailer, which grew revenue at 13.6% in its most recently completed year. This company's management is doing an excellent job controlling costs and delivering economies of scale as this company penetrates that $100 billion pet industry in the US. The next two growth stocks I'm going to recommend in August are Fiverr and PayPal. These stocks are trading very inexpensively here. Fiverr at a forward price to earnings of 14.57. It grew revenue at 13.34% in its most recently completed year. The current fiscal year is going to be much slower revenue growth for Fiverr, although I do expect 2024 to be a better year, and going forward, I expect better years ahead from Fiverr as it benefits from enterprises and entrepreneurs choosing to hire for the job rather than hire a person on the job. So it's more convenient for enterprises to hire people to complete the tasks that they need completed rather than onboard employees, and I think Fiverr will benefit from that long-term tailwind. PayPal, meanwhile, trading at a forward PE of just 13, it grew revenue at 8.46% in its recent year. It's looking for a new CEO, but the company makes it more convenient for people to shop online, and I suspect it will continue to benefit from that tailwind longer term. The next two stocks I'm going to recommend here in August are Sea Limited and Palo Alto Networks. Sea Limited, of course, the e-commerce company operating mostly outside of the United States. It's only trading at a forward PE of 22, while it grew revenue at 25%. Of course, you could compare that valuation with Amazon, and you could see it's very favorable in that sense. Palo Alto Networks, another cybersecurity company. I think you're noticing a trend here. I like the cybersecurity industry. Palo Alto trading at a forward PE of 58, and it grew revenue at 29.26% in its most recent year. Palo Alto is one of the best performing cybersecurity companies today, so that's why I'm recommending that one also as a growth stock you can buy in August. The final two growth stocks I'm going to recommend for August are TripAdvisor and Penn Entertainment, trading at a forward PE of 14.64 and 11.7. TripAdvisor grew revenue by 65% in its most recently completed year, again benefiting from that pent-up demand from people for travel. And again, I suspect this to go on at least through 2024, if not further beyond. Penn Entertainment benefiting from a similar trend in that people want to get out of their house and spend time and money away from home. The company's regional casinos benefit from that trend while keeping it away from the downside from the convention center business, which is down since the pandemic. Penn Entertainment doesn't have locations inside Las Vegas that will struggle from that trend. It has more regional locations. It also is investing in rolling out the mobile sportsbook, which gives it a nice edge of growth there, along with a nice value oriented valuation here. But that's all I've got for this video. 10 growth stocks you can buy in August. And remember, I've got more videos on each of these growth stocks on my channel, so feel free to look around. I'm looking forward to seeing you on my channel. But that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.